The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. All things are connected like the blood that unites us all. What we do to the web of life, we do to ourselves. Take only memories, leave only footprints. The beauty of the earth is a reflection of the love in our hearts. We are caretakers of the land for future generations. Every part of this earth is sacred to my people. Teach your children what we have taught our children. The land is not given to us by our ancestors, it is borrowed from our children. We are all guests on this planet and we must respect our host. We must protect the forests for our children, grandchildren, and the unborn. To harm the earth is to heap contempt upon its creator. Our spiritual connection with nature defines our humanity. The wind that gave our grandfathers breath also receives their last sigh. The earth is not a possession, it is a partner in our journey. Nature speaks in the silence of a flowing river and the rustle of leaves in the wind. We are stewards of the land, entrusted with its care. The spirit of the land whispers in the breeze and roars in the waterfall. The land is the source of our strength and the foundation of our lives. We must cherish and protect the gift of life on this earth. Our lives are woven into the tapestry of the natural world. The land does not belong to us. We belong to the land. The earth's bounty is a gift from the Great Spirit. The strength of a nation is found in its connection to the land. Nature is a book, and we must read and learn from it. Our lives are a reflection of our respect for the land. Our legacy is the impact we leave on the earth. The earth is the mother of all people, and all people should have equal rights upon it. We are one strand in the intricate web of life. The circle of life binds us all together in a sacred unity.